The trial for a Milwaukee County judge postponed indefinitely.
Judge Hannah Dugan is accused of helping an undocumented immigrant in April evade federal agents right outside of her courtroom. A week later, prosecutors charged her with obstruction. 12 News' Hannah Hilliard is joining us live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee tonight.
And Hannah, the federal judge made that decision to delay her trial during a hearing today.
Right, Blake and Deanna, Judge Hannah Dugan was set to go on trial here at the federal courthouse in late July. But today, during a hearing, as you mentioned, that federal judge deciding to delay this case. That federal judge saying he wants to rule on an important matter first. He wants to settle a motion to dismiss this case entirely before setting that trial date. With her legal team assembled,
we have been working this case nonstop. We're ready to go to trial.
Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan now has a longer wait for her day in court. It was April 18th. The feds say this video captures the moment Judge Dugan approached immigration agents outside her own courtroom. She's seen directing them to the chief judge's office. As the agents walk away, a different angle shows this man, Eduardo Flores Ruiz, an undocumented Mexican national, leaving Dugan's courtroom. The feds claim the judge escorted Flores Ruiz out a private jury door to help him evade arrest. A week later, federal agents charged Judge Dugan with obstructing a federal investigation, arresting her at the courthouse.
Judge, anything to say about this?
She has yet to speak publicly on the case, but her legal team Wednesday did for the first time after a federal judge delayed Dugan's trial as they await a ruling on their motion to dismiss the case entirely.
The motion that's pending is obviously has implications that are wide-ranging. So to give the time to do that is understandable, but obviously we're ready to go.
Dugan's legal team wants the case dismissed, claiming the actions Dugan took as a judge are protected.
I think that the government is really trying to criminalize things that might have been said in the courtroom. And at the end of the day, you've all seen the video. This gentleman walked right by one of the agents who was in the hallway, and nothing happened.
And Hannah, what do prosecutors have to say about this motion to dismiss?
Yeah, so they call the defense's stance of judicial immunity not a valid argument in this case. I did reach out to the Department of Justice earlier today to see if they wanted to discuss this trial now being pushed back, but they declined to comment.
All right, and it seems like this story keeps developing each time we cover it, so more to come from this. Hannah Hilliard live in downtown Milwaukee for us tonight. The man Judge Dugan is charged with helping appeared in Milwaukee County Court today. Eduardo Flores Ruiz is now set to go on trial in October before a different judge. He's facing 3 misdemeanor counts of domestic abuse. Federal agents eventually captured him outside of the courthouse that day in April and took him into custody. He's being held at the Dodge County Jail.